Air compressors are critical pieces of equipment in the dental and medical fields, as they provide power to numerous tools and machines. While traditional air compressors can be noisy and require frequent oil changes, recent advancements in air compressor technology have resulted in silent and oil-free compressors with a variety of advantages. The low noise level of silent and oil-free air compressors is one of their most significant advantages. Traditional air compressors can be noisy and disruptive, making them unsuitable for use in dental and medical settings where silence is essential. Silent air compressors, on the other hand, use advanced insulation and sound damping technology to reduce noise, making them ideal for use in dental and medical practices. Another benefit of oil-free and silent air compressors is their ease of maintenance. Regular oil changes are required for traditional air compressors, which can be messy and time-consuming. Oil-free compressors, as the name implies, do not require oil changes, making maintenance simple and straightforward. This saves time and money while also lowering the risk of oil spills and contamination in the workplace. Air compressors that are both silent and oil-free are also more efficient than traditional compressors. Oil-free compressors are designed to operate without oil, resulting in less heat and friction, improved performance, and a longer equipment lifespan. Silent and oil-free air compressors are better for the environment in addition to their noise level, maintenance requirements, and efficiency. Traditional air compressors emit oil mist and other pollutants that can harm air quality and the environment. Silent and oil-free compressors, on the other hand, emit no pollutants and are therefore a more environmentally friendly option. Finally, oil-free and silent air compressors are an excellent choice for dental and medical practices. They have a number of advantages over traditional air compressors, including lower noise levels, ease of maintenance, increased efficiency, and environmental benefits. Consider switching to a silent and oil-free air compressor if you need a dependable and efficient air compressor for your dental or medical practice.